आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
If we talk about this question, in this question we are asked cork cambium forms tissues that form the cork. Do you agree with this statement? Explain. Right, so basically if we discuss about the cork cambium, right, so the cork cambium is also known as the phylogen. Right, cork cambium is also known as the phylogen. So basically cork cambium, it cuts off, right, it cuts off cells, right, it cuts off cells both on the outer side, right, on the outer side as well as on the inner side, right, on the outer side as well as on the inner side. So the cells that have cut off on the outer side, they form the cork, right? So the cells that are cut off at the outer side, they basically form the cork, right, which is also known as the phellem, right, which is also known as the phellem, right. Further on the inner side, so the cells that are cut off on the inner side, they basically form the secondary cortex, right, they form the secondary cortex, which is also known as the phelloderm, right, which is basically also known as the phelloderm, right. So basically the cells of the cork, right, so the cells of the cork, they are dead, right. Cork is basically the bark of the plant, right. So the cells of the cork are dead, whereas the cells of the secondary cortex, they are living, right. So basically the cells that cut off on the inner side, they are living, while the cells that are cut off on the outer side, they are dead, right. So basically all these three parts, right, that's phylogen, right, phellem, right, phellem and the phelloderm, right, and the phelloderm, they all collectively known as the periderm, right, they all collectively known as the periderm. So yes, the cork cambium, right, yes, the cork cambium forms tissues that forms the cork. So yes, we agree with this statement, right.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।